We are standing here, listening to the washer in its spin cycle. This is the most noise you will ever hear from it. Is right here when it rattles a little bit against the side. We are waiting for it to sing to us. Jennifer, is this the most exciting thing of your day?
No.
Robin? It's not as exciting as, say,
The first time we heard it.
The first time.
We weren't expecting it.
Even Chloe's here. Oh, we're still waiting. Waiting for the song of finished.
Oh! How many times does it need to do that? I think it's loosening all the clothing from the edges.
Very quiet. Go. And the light comes on.
It seems so pleased with itself.
It is.